Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In this quick video, I'll show you how to add friends on eFootball mobile so you can play matches together or share your team picks with your friends online to your own device while playing eFootball mobile. Now let's get started with the video. First, open eFootball mobile on your device and tap on friends icon from the main menu. This is the friends icon right here. Now there you can select add friends and here you have to search by player ID or username. As you can see here, make sure you type it correctly to find your friend. Once you find your friend, tap send request and friend will receive a notification to accept it right here. After they accept, your friend will appear in your friend list that says friends right here, and you can invite them to matches, local games or online events anytime they are online, or you can simply call them online and start playing with your friends in eFootball mobile. And that's it guys. Now you can easily add friends on eFootball mobile and enjoy playing together with your partner. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and comment the name of your favorite teammate. Thank you for watching.